I used to think that making money online was all about top rankings in the search engines. I spent years creating videos, writing blog posts, and posting to social media, only to see top rankings and very little return. I felt like I was throwing content out into the void, and I was hoping that something would stick. Finally, I discovered a cycle that's been changing everything for me. Instead of creating content to rank at the top of the search engines, I started to build a system where every piece of content worked together to solve a problem for my readers. That's when things really started to click for me. My content started to attract the right audience, and my revenue streams have multiplied. And most importantly, most everything is automated. Now, I want to talk through my exact system so that you can follow along this for yourself, but also so that I can look back in the future and see what was I planning at this time and how did everything turn out for me. The foundation of my system is simple. It's an information product on the WAP marketplace. And then every piece of content that you create should solve a problem for your readers and lead them to your solution or to somebody else's. This offer could be a simple digital course, a membership site, a coaching program, an affiliate product, or even a newsletter with an ad revenue. I chose to set up WAP stores because they have such a great marketplace that helps me make a lot of sales. And once you have your information product in place, all of your future content stops just being content and it turns into a tool for your growth. I start with YouTube and other social platforms because they have built-in audiences and built-in discoverability that is totally separate from search engine rankings. I'll start off by recording a valuable video that has a solution for my audience, and then I take that transcript from the video and I repurpose it over onto my Beehive newsletter. That blog post gets republished onto a large publication on Medium for an even wider reach. From there, I redistribute the content onto other social platforms like LinkedIn and Reddit and Twitter and Facebook, and that drives more engagement and more traffic. This cycle repeats as I research new ideas, I spot new trends, and I discover new potential partnerships. What makes this strategy so powerful is that it doesn't rely on just one income stream. Instead, we're aiming from the start to stack multiple revenue streams together. My information product on the WAP marketplace can earn money. My Beehive newsletter can earn from boosts and from ad revenue. My Medium publication can earn from reads and from claps, and my affiliate commissions can come in when I promote other tools and services. At the same time, I can sell my own courses and memberships from the WAP marketplace. Partner promotions can bring in fresh audiences. My referral system can turn customers into affiliates, which can create a self-sustaining loop. This layering of income and content ensures that we're not dependent on a single platform or on a single revenue stream. But none of this will work without one key ingredient: research. The right content brings in the right audience. I use artificial intelligence tools to analyze the questions that people are asking about the products that I'm writing about. And at the same time, I listen to my audience. I pay close attention to what their questions are and what their struggles are. By combining the AI-driven insights with the real-world feedback, I can make sure that all of my content serves a real purpose and connects with people who are actually ready to take action. And here's where the automation starts to change everything. Instead of manually managing each step, I've now built a system that runs most everything on autopilot. The AI helps me take my ideas and turn them into video scripts, and then takes those video scripts and turns them into blog posts, and it speeds up my entire process, which expands my reach and my engagement effortlessly. Specialized engagement tools help respond to comments and track everything so I can see which are the important ones to respond to. Now the monetization happens automatically with affiliate links and product offers and opt-in forms all built into my content. Scaling my content has become easier. I'm reaching more customers, and I have more time to work with those customers who come into my system. One of the biggest lessons I've learned is to shift away from search engine optimization and to focus on storytelling. Storytelling is the secret weapon of content that sells. For years, I was obsessed over search engine optimization and top rankings, but my sales were still inconsistent. My shift didn't happen until I used artificial intelligence to study the content of others who were really outperforming me. Since that time, I've started training my AI agents to produce content into these 5 different storytelling frameworks. First, I embraced the do and show method, walking my audience through my exact steps, making it easy for them to follow. I also started using the problem, agitate, solve format, presenting struggles that people relate to, amplifying that frustration, and then offering the perfect solution. The before-after bridge technique helped me show transformations clearly, while the epiphany stories reveal personal breakthroughs that really have changed my approach. And finally, another is the success story format, because it really builds trust by highlighting real-world results and testimonials. When I combine these storytelling strategies with automation, I get a lot more done in less time. My engagement skyrocketed, and so did my income. The system works because it's a cycle. Each content piece connects to the next, the automation eliminates the manual work, and the storytelling makes the content engaging and profitable. By focusing on the content that solves a problem and builds multiple revenue streams across several different platforms from the start, we ensure that we're not tied down to one platform or just one revenue stream. Over time, this becomes reliable and sustainable. And now, I would love to help you apply this system. If you want my mind maps, my automation tools, all of my content strategy blueprints, you can sign up for the 7-day free trial and access absolutely everything and get my help to set it up. If you have any questions, let me know, because I read every single one of them. Thanks again for watching all the way through. If you find this helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you inside my community. Let's build this together.